YouTuber Rajab Butt and 7 others have been booked for allegedly threatening TikToker Umair Fayaz Butt. The case was filed after Rajab Butt, Mun Dogar, and Haider Shah, accompanied by armed individuals, reportedly arrived at Umair Fayaz's house in the morning. The complaint, filed by Umair Fayaz, claims that Dogar used abusive language and issued threats during a TikTok live session. Umair Fayaz, calling it an attack on his dignity, has sought legal action against Butt and his associates. The police confirmed that the case has been registered and legal proceedings are underway. Butt, who gained fame through his family vlogs, has faced multiple legal issues, including another case in Karachi. According to spectators who watched the live session, Umair Butt, while on a live video with Rajab Butt's close associate Mun Dogar, resorted to using foul language directed at Rajab Butt's mother and sister. In response, Rajab Butt defended his family and criticized Umair Butt, questioning the authenticity of both Umair and his brother, Ali Butt, suggesting that their behavior had harmed the reputations of several girls. Rajab Butt went on to warn Umair Butt and Ali Butt, threatening to expose personal secrets if they continued to target his family in their disputes. Previously, Umair and Ali Butt had attended Rajab Butt's wedding and even brought gifts for the couple. However, their relationship has now soured, with both TikTok stars publicly roasting each other through their videos. Umair Butt, in his own response, fired back by calling Rajab Bhatti instead of Butt and warned that if Rajab continued talking about him, Umair would reveal his own secrets. He also claimed that Rajab had gained fame by featuring his mother and sister in his vlogs. The police confirmed that they are looking into the allegations and will proceed as per the law. A case has been registered and an investigation is underway. Action will be taken based on the findings, a police spokesperson stated. The complainant further mentioned in his statement that the accused threatened to teach him a lesson for his TikTok activities. He said the accused violated his dignity and there was a threat to his life. Ongoing investigation. Authorities are gathering evidence, including digital records of the TikTok live session and potential CCTV footage from the location of the alleged incident. The police have assured that appropriate action will be taken against those found guilty.